8.3, these are word problems. These are word problems 8.3. Yes, board is clear. Now let us start. Now in this total there are 15 problems. I will do odd problem in the class. Then even problem, even number of problems will be treated as homework. Total 15. Yes. Total 15 problems are there. Out of which, my dear, I am saying 15. You listen, no. Again, I am telling you, you have control. Control is must. You must have the ability to listen. Immediately you react, that will not work. Total there are 15 problems in this 8.3. I will do odd number of problems. Odd number means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and even number of problems will be treated as homework. So all of you are having that textbook, you can solve the problem of homework. So even number of problems are of classroom, odd number of problems are of classroom, even numbers are homework. Now first problem we'll do. Out of 2700 students. Wait. 1 minute. Yes, do not worry. Out of 2700 students. 1 minute. I'm doing the adjustment. 1 minute. We are doing the adjustment. Make it. Out of, now it is clear, right? Wait, no, my dear. Out of 2700 students in the school, 30% of the students are girl. 30% of the students are girl. Find the number of boys in the school. So total number of students in the school are 2700. Then student consists of both. Student consists of boys and girls together. So out of 2700 students, first. Out of 2700 students, 30% of total number of students are girls. We are not given the number of girls. We are given percentage of girls. Is it clear? So one thing should be clear. We are given number of students, but neither we are given number of boys nor we are given number of girls. But for girls, instead of giving number of girls, their percentage of girls is given. So we have to find the number of boys. So we make this table students. Hmm. 8.2 is over. You can see the video. Everything you will get the answer from that video. Yes. Total number of students are 2700. So we write number of students is 2700. Out of this 2700 number of students, 30% students are girls. So girls, 30% of students are girls. 30% of students are girls. So now we find number of girls. We are given percentage of girls. We are not given exactly how many girls are there. So number of girls is equal to 30% of total number of students. What is that? Yes, 30% of students. No, 30% of students So that is 30%. 30% of students are 2700. Now use the concept of percentage. What do you mean by X percent? What do you mean by X percent? So 30% means 30 upon 100. Then off means multiplication. Off means multiplication 2700. Now you cancel the terms of numerator and denominator. 2 zeros get cancelled with this. So 30 into 27. 30 into 27. 30 into 27. That is 810. That is 810. So 810 is number of girls. 810 is number of girls. So number of girls are 810. Number of girls are 810. So it is given number of girls. We are given percentage of girls. From percentage of girls we find number of girls. So student consists of boys and girls. So this is the student. Student consists of, student means boys plus girl. S means student. Student is boys plus girls. So if yes. So if out of 2000, yes, right. Write down. If out of 2700, the girls are 810, then the remaining are boys. So we write number of boys is equal to number of students. Number of boys is equal to number of students minus number of girls. Number of students minus number of girls. Number of students is equal to so number of boys is equal to number of students are 2700 minus number of girls 810. So subtract, you will get number of boys. Number of boys is equal to 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 10 minus 1, 9. Then 6. It is 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. Then 1 minus 0, 1. 1890. So number of boys are 1890. So this is the answer. So what is given in this question? We are given number of students. Out of this number of students 2700, we are given percentage of girls. We are not given number of girls. 30% of 2700. 30% of 2700 are girls. So what is number of girls? 810. Once we have number of girls 810, number of boys plus number of girls is equal to number of students. Because students consist of boys and girls together. So if 810 are girls, then the remaining are number of boys. So number of boys are number of students minus number of girls. So 2700 minus 810, that is 1890. So by you can take, let number of boys be yes, you can take so second will be homework. Second question is homework. All of you are having textbook, you can refer. Then third question, mute the microphone. Third question I am writing. You get it, my dear, from school it was given the instruction that all of you should have the textbook. Then if you are not having it, our time is saved. If you get one page, get it from somebody on the WhatsApp, because our time will be saved. Now third, the custom duty means tax. The custom duty on an electronic items, an electronic item is 35%. Item is 35% of its cost. 35% of which 35% of its cost. 35% of the cost is stamp duty. Stamp duty means tax. Find the custom duty paid by Tanya. Find the custom duty. Find the custom duty. Find the custom duty paid by Tanya. Find the custom duty paid by Tanya. Tanya is a girl who is paying the stamp duty for her video camera. For her video camera. For her video camera. For her video camera, which cost 35,000. Which cost rupees 35,000. Which cost 35,000. So the cost, yes, I will wait. I will explain and I will wait. So the custom duty is a tax. So whenever you purchase any item, you have to pay the tax. The custom duty. Still there are many students who are willing to join. No? Yes, I agree. Now it is clear, right? Now it is clear, right? The custom duty on the custom duty on electronic item. The custom duty on an electronic item is 35% of its cost. So the custom duty, it is very much, the custom duty, now it is clear, right? The custom duty on electronic item is 35% of its cost. Electronic item. So video camera is also electronic item. Video camera is also electronic item. So on it, Tanya pays 35% stamp duty. So electronic item is also video camera. So let us solve this. So second is homework. Now third, the custom duty means tax. Custom duty means tax. On electronic item is 35% of its cost. Find the custom duty paid by Tanya for her video camera, which cost rupees 35,000. So we write cost of video camera. Cost of video camera. Cost of video camera is 35,000. See, we are not doing. Mute the microphone. Cost of video camera is 35,000. Cost of video camera is 35,000. Then stamp duty, custom duty is 35% of the cost. So write down Tanya paid. Write down custom duty paid by Tanya. Custom duty means tax. Custom duty paid by Tanya. Custom duty paid by Tanya is how much? Tell me. It is 35%. 35% of the cost. The custom duty paid by Tanya is 35% of the cost. And why we said 30? Yes. Why we say 35%? Because the custom duty is paid on electronic item is 35%. We know that video camera is also electronic item. Video camera is also page number 114. So 35% of the cost. So now we use the formula 35% means 35 upon 100. Of means multiplication. How much is cost? 35,000. 35,000. So 35% of 35,000. Yes, zeros are cancelled, numerator, denominator. So that is 35 into where 140, 114. 114. 35 into 350. Multiply. 35 into 350 you multiply. 35 into 350 you have to multiply. Multiply. 500. 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17. Yes, no problem. 3 zeros. My dear, what is the cost of the camera? 35,000. How much custom duty is paid? 35% of the cost. 35% of the cost. It is very much clear, right? 35% of the cost. So what is custom duty paid by Tanya? 35% of the cost. Cost of the camera is 35,000. So 35% of 35,000. 300, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. So it is 0, 5, 7 plus 5 2, 12, 12,250. So that is rupees 12,250. 12,250. So write down final answer. Custom duty paid by Tanya. Custom duty paid by Tanya. Custom duty means it is a tax. It is a one type of tax where when you purchase the item you have to pay the tax on that. And see, this custom duty is applicable whenever you purchase the goods from outside the country. Is it clear? In India, when you purchase the item from abroad countries, you have to pay the custom duty clearance. That is one type of tax. Along with the price, you have to pay the tax on that. So 35,000. How much amount Tanya has to pay? Tell me total. So no 12,250. That is the custom duty paid by Tanya. But in additional, if I will ask, fourth one is one more. So yes. So if I will ask how much amount Tanya has to pay total, that will be fourth is homework, fifth is classwork. Fourth is homework, fifth is classwork. Clear? So our problem stop here because it is as only custom duty. So we don't have to solve further. Now fourth is homework. Even number of problems are homework. Now fifth I have to do in the class. Fifth. I am writing the question. The price of the wristwatch has been reduced. The price of the wristwatch